600, di 414 na lang.
Ăn quá không tốt được chưa? Để cái mức ấy thôi. Loa vào chưa?
Hello, Doc.
Hello.
Oh, why is your camera like that, Doc? Look at your camera. It's splitted. Huh? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, there are two dogs.
Xem cái chăn nào.
Okay, Doc. Are you feeling better now? Doc, feeling better now?
Yeah.
What are you clicking there? Oh, you're still sick, Doc, or are you okay?
Yes.
But did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you wearing jacket? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Why? Why is it cold? Is it winter in Vietnam now?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Winter started. Wow, that's nice. So maybe that's why my students earlier, they also wear jacket because they said it's cold. Okay, now, Doc, let's begin our lesson. All right, so it says here. Okay, what's the title, Doc? Can you read it, please?
A colorful house.
Okay, a colorful house. Okay, now, Doc, what is on the first picture?
With water.
Okay, that is, yes, the water or the glass is full of water. All right, so now let's have this one. Colorful. Colorful means full of color. Beautiful means full of beauty. Okay?
Còn nói to nhé. Nói to lên. Nói to lên.
Doc, do you understand? So when there is a word full, it means, example, colorful, it means it's full of color. Next one, beautiful, it means full of beauty, okay?
Okay.
All right, very good. Next one, Doc. Okay, now, which words can I put here? Okay, so Doc, what word can you put in these words?
Room.
Okay, very good. So we can put room to extend the words and have a different Meaning, example, bed plus room equals bedroom. Bath plus room, bathroom. Living room and dining room. All right, now, Doc. So let's have new words. Okay, Doc, so what is the first word? Can you read it, please?
The picture.
Oh, no. What word is this? Can you read it?
Bedroom.
Very good, bedroom. So, Doc, do you have your own bedroom in your house? Do you have your own bedroom in your house?
Full.
What color is your bedroom?
White. Black. Brown. And gray.
Okay, very good. So those are the colors of your bedroom. Okay, next one, Duke. Oh, wait. So, Duke, what can you do or what do you do inside the bedroom?
The picture. The chair. The bookcase. The computer. The stairs. The picture. The kitchen. The bathroom.
Now, Duke, what do you do inside the bedroom?
Bed. Picture.
What do you do inside the bedroom? Do you dance? Do you cook?
Wardrobe.
What do you do inside the bedroom? Do you dance? Do you cook? Do you bike? What do you do inside the bedroom, Duke?
I read.
Okay, what else?
I write.
You read, you write. What else? You read, you write, and what else? You read, you write.
Play.
And then, of course, you sleep, right? That is the use of a bedroom. Okay, you can sleep and relax. Okay, next one, Duke. So this is a living room. Now, Duke, what can you do in the living room? Let's make it faster, okay? What do you do in the living room?
Watching TV.
Okay, and then?
Sophie.
Okay.
I play. I read. I write.
All right, so in the living room, that is a place where you entertain or welcome your guests. You can also watch TV and you can also relax in the living room. Next one, Duke. This is
Hall.
a hall. So what is a hall, Duke?
Have a stair.
All right, very good. So a hall, that's where you can find the stairs. Next one, how about a bathroom? What do you do inside the bathroom?
The memory. The toilet.
Okay.
The bath.
Now, what do you do there?
I brush the teeth. I wash face. I go to toilet. I go to toilet.
And then you take
a straw. I don't know.
yeah, take a shower or take a bath. All right, next one, Duke. So this is a kitchen. Now, what can we do inside the kitchen, Duke?
Go.
What can we do inside the kitchen? Or in the kitchen, what do we do there?
I cook. I like. I
Okay.
read.
Okay, that is correct. Because in the kitchen, that is a place where we cook and prepare our food. Okay, now look, let's have the next activity. Look at the house. What color are these rooms? All right, so Duke, how about in the bathroom? What color is the bathroom, Duke? What color is the bathroom?
Color?
Duke, what color is the bathroom?
Red.
Very good. How about in your bathroom, Duke? What's the color?
White.
Ah, white. Okay. How about the hall? What's the color of the hall?
Yellow. And
How about in your house? What is the color of the hall? In your house, what's the color of the hall?
Yellow.
Yellow also?
Brown. White.
Ah, okay. Yellow, brown, and white. How about in the dining room? What's the color of the dining room?
Blue.
Yes, it's blue. How about in your house, Duke? What is the color of your dining room?
Blue and yellow.
In your house? Really?
White.
Ah, white. White and? White only?
And brown.
Wow, white and brown. Oh, last one. How about the kitchen, Duke? What's the color of the kitchen?
The green and white.
Green and white. So how about in your house? What's the color of your kitchen?
The kitchen has.
What's the color of your kitchen? What? Is your kitchen color white and brown also? Yes?
I have one black, brown, gray.
Oh, okay. You also have gray color in the kitchen. Okay, now look, let's have the next activity. Okay, now it says here, listen and draw lines. Okay, Duke? Now you have to listen and put a line on your answer. Let's begin.
18B. A colorful house. Look at the picture. Listen and draw lines.
Put the lamp in the dining room, please.
Sorry, where?
Put the lamp in the dining room.
Okay.
The lamp.
An example. Now you listen and draw lines.
That's an example only.
1.
Can you put the radio in the tree for me?
Put the radio where?
Put it in the tree, please.
Right.
The radio, the tree.
Yes, put the radio in the tree.
Okay. The radio.
Put the radio at the tree.
Okay. Put the radio on the tree.
Okay, very good. Next one.
2.
Now, the mirror. Put it on the sofa, please.
On the sofa? In the living room?
Yes. Put the mirror there, please.
Okay. I'm doing that now.
3.
Can you see the photo?
Yes. Can I put the photo in the hall?
In the hall. Yes.
Great.
4.
Now the clock. Can you see it?
Sorry, what?
The clock. Put it on the bed.
On the bed in the bedroom. Oh, okay.
5.
Now put the mat in the bathroom.
The mat in the bathroom?
Yes, please.
Okay. It's there now.
Thank you.
Okay, where's your mat? Okay, now it's finished. Let's check your answers. All right. Okay, wait a minute. All right, so the radio on the tree, correct. The mirror on the sofa, correct. The photo in the hallway, correct. The clock in the bedroom is correct. Next one, the mat on the bathroom is also correct. Okay, very good, Duke. Because you got a perfect score of 5. Okay, next one, Duke. It says here, which picture has no line?
6.
Yeah,
Okay.
which picture has no line? What picture didn't we use?
The computer.
Okay, the computer. All right, so now, Duke, let's have activity C. Look, read, and write one-word answers about the house. All right, so Duke, example number 1, where is the photo? The answer is in the hall. Okay, number 2, where is the mat?
In the bathroom.
Very good, it's in the bathroom. Now, where is the clock?
In the bedroom.
In the bedroom. How about the lamp?
In the kitchen.
Are you sure? Kitchen? Oh, that's not
Dining
like...
room.
Yes, it's in the dining room. And last one, the mirror is in?
The living room.
Very good. It's in the living room. All right, so now, Duke, let's have letter D. Read and write. Which home words can you see in the mirrors? All right, so now, Duke, can you write your answers now, Duke? So example number 1, mirror, the answer is wall. How about the second, number 1? What do you think is that word? Number 1, what's that word, Duke?
Oh, wow. Back, no.
Or maybe you can get a mirror, Duke. Do you have a mirror?
Yes.
Then you use the mirror like this one. Here, I can see it. I can see the answers, Duke. Okay, do you have a mirror? Oh, I can see the answers by doing this one.
Does not have.
You don't have there? Okay, but what do you think is the word in number 1?
I don't know.
That is window. How about number 2?
Number 2. No.
That is a door. How about number 3?
Table.
Okay, that's correct. It's a table. How about number 4?
Television.
Television is correct. Last one.
Bookcase.
Okay, bookcase is correct. So you got 3 points in this activity. Okay, next one, Duck. How many windows are there in the house? Can you count, Duck?
Window.
How many windows?
3, 4 window.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, there are 4 windows. Now, where are the windows, Duck? Can you tell me?
In the living room, in the dining room, in the bedroom, in the kitchen.
Okay. So, in the bedroom, the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Very good. Okay, next one, Duck. Look at here. What is on the picture, Duck? What do you call that object?
The table.
It's a table. Okay, very good. Or a desk. All right, so Duck, have you got a table or a desk?
Yeah.
What do you put in your table? What are the things there in your table?
Book.
Okay, you got a book. What else do you have there?
Lamp.
Lamp. Book, lamp, what else?
Pencil case.
Pencil case. Okay. So now, look. This is the description or how you describe a desk. I'm white and I've got 4 legs, but I'm not an animal. So that is a desk. Okay, next one, Doc. Okay, here. Read this. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. Okay, now, Doc, can you read what's on the screen? And choose your answer.
Chair.
Oh, you read first. I'm white and I've got 4 legs.
But I am not an animal. I look like a chair.
Wait. Like a?
Chair.
Like a horse or a goat.
I am in front of window in Lucy chair.
Lucy's bedroom.
Lucy sits on a gray chair. Next to me, he put her in
She puts her favorite
story on midnight time. She put her
Lucy puts her
computer on me too and plays game on it.
Okay, very good. What am I? I am a desk. Okay, so you got 3 points in this part. All right, now let's have the next one, Doc. Okay, it says here, write about your home. All right, so now, Doc, can you answer this one? My house is in...
I don't know that.
Where is your house? Is it in a village or in a city? Where is your house? I will help you type your answers. Okay, my house is in, where's your house, Doc? Is it in the city, province, countryside, in the mountain? Where's your house?
In the city.
In the city. Now, it's got, how many rooms do you have there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
Okay, it's got 10 rooms. There are, what are these? What are the rooms? Can you tell me?
Gara, living room, dining room.
What's that again? Living room.
Gara.
What else?
Gara.
What's that? I cannot understand.
Gara.
Garage.
Yes.
Ah, okay. What else? Living room, garage.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Bedroom has 3.
Oh, wait. Dining room. 3 bedroom.
1 toilet.
1 toilet. Do you have a kitchen? Do you have a kitchen in your house, Duke?
Yes.
Okay, let's put kitchen. Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's only 8. What's the 2? What's this 2 more?
1, 2, 3. 9.
1, living room, garage, dining room, 3 bedrooms, toilet and kitchen. Oh, it's 8 only.
No. Living room 1, garage 2, dining room 3, 3 bedrooms 6. 8.
Oh, you told me 9. It's 8 only.
Oh no, 2 toilets.
2 toilet. Okay, you didn't say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's only 9. What's the other one?
The yard in the house.
What they call that?
Yeah.
Living room, garage, dining room, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet, and a kitchen. So maybe you got only 9 rooms, right? Oh, let's change this one into 9. Okay, now my favorite room is. What's your favorite room?
My bedroom.
My bedroom. Okay. In my favorite room, you can find. What can we see in your bedroom, Duke?
Best case, book, bed, lamp. Lamp.
What's that?
Lamp.
Lamp.
Black.
Black.
Lamp.
Oh, can you say it? Can you spell it?
Hi.
I didn't understand what's that word. Blanket. Blanket. Okay. What else do you have in your bedroom?
Bookcase.
Bookcase.
Notebook.
Notebook. Computer.
Fan.
What is that?
Fan.
I cannot understand. What's that?
The fan.
Fan. Okay. What else? You don't have a bed, though?
Oh.
You don't have a bed?
This is bed.
Okay. It's finished. How about pillows?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put pillows. What else?
I have the ruler.
Ruler. Do you have a table? Do you have a table there, Duke?
Yes.
Let's put a desk. How about a chair?
Chair has.
Okay, chair. What else do you have? That's all?
This.
Okay. Very good. You got a lot of things in your room. Very good. Okay, now let's proceed to the next activity. It says here, the long home sentence. Okay, in my home, there are 5 rooms. In my home, there are 5 rooms and 2 sofas. All right. So now, Doc, let's have this one. Okay, now, Doc, can you tell me, even a short sentence only, describe your house, okay? Can you describe your house, Doc?
I don't know.
Oh, my house has a door. You say it.
My house has a door.
What else do you have in your house? My house has also a window. Or you say it.
My house has also the window.
What else can we see in your house? Now, what else do you have in your house?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. So that ends our first part of the lesson, okay? Or now, teacher will open one more because we still got 8 minutes. Okay, wait for me. Don't go away.
What, 8 minutes?
Yeah, we got 8 more minutes. So, wait. Okay, now, Doc, this is our second lesson for tonight. What's in your bedroom? All right, so let's have new words. Okay, can you read the words, Doc?
7 minutes.
Faster. What's the first word?
Bookcase, window, desk, chair, television.
All right, so those are some things that we can find inside a bedroom. All right, now, Doc, look at the picture. What can you see? Is the boy watching a television, Doc?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
The boy.
No. No, he's not watching a television. What's he doing?
He watching the computer.
No, he's reading a book. Oh, because that is a robot. Okay, so the boy is lying down and reading a book. Okay, now, Duke, is the door open?
No.
No. Is the boy wearing socks?
No.
Yes. Look, he's wearing socks because there's no fingers or toes. Next one. Is the boy playing a piano?
No.
No. Is the robot sitting down?
No. Yes.
Yes. All right, so now, Doug, let's have this one. It says here, What can you see in the room? Write the words next to the numbers. All right, now, Doc. So first one is an example. The answer there is armchair. How about number 2, Doc? What's this?
Bookcase.
Okay, very good. That's a bookcase. How about number 3?
The chair.
Very good. The chair. Number 4.
Seat.
What's that?
I don't how that.
That is cup.
Cupboard.
Yes, cupboard. That's correct. Very good. Number 5.
Door and desk.
Yes, a desk. Number 6.
Door.
Door.
Wall.
7.
Wall.
Number 7.
Wall.
No, starts with letter P.
Phone.
Phone. Number 8.
Piano.
Piano. 9.
Picture.
All right, picture. Number 10.
Television.
Television. 11.
Wall.
Wall. 12.
Window.
Window. Very good. That's so easy for you. Okay, very good. You got 11 correct answers. Very good, Doc. All right. So, Doc, we're finished now with our lesson for tonight. Okay? All right. So, I'm going to see you again, Doc, on Monday.
Yes.
Okay. Good night, Doc. Get well soon. Feel better. Okay?
Night.
Good night. Chukungon.
Good night. Good night.
Nighty, nighty.
Okay. Leave me.